And next, we're going to visiting House of Ili. So now we're going to surrounding House of Ili. So you can see we have a table, big table, because we make a big table, then we pay the guy who make this table. So you can see this is the CR area. So this is the House of Ili. They have a kitchen area. Kangit-ngit.
Ay, nasa mo may juice mo?
Ngit-ngit ta dres balay eh.
Gitgit no?
Ngit-ngit.
Burat ang nalangon. Lemon or orange. Nagulo ko.
Ngit-ngit kayo. CR. Meron ka na ipa-view-view.
Bati natin siya. Hindi
Kibati mag-good yung view.
tubig?
Papaya.
Apple ng papayas. Panty.
Kasi gusto ka ba?
Strawberry.
Recycle plastic.
Search for this word.
This is a feeding place.
Hi, my name is Lonali Rivera. I'm 38 years old.
Hi, my name is Elia Ortega, 13 years old.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Gretchen Ortega, and I'm 20 years old. And work of my mom is a housewife, then my father is a scavenger. Name of my father is Ronaldo Ortega, 39 years old, and my brother is Ronald Ortega, 16 years old.
Thank you.
Galak ba ka dahil?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3, go. Gaye, Gayom, Dorenen, thank you. Balik. 1, 2, 3, go.
Gaye, Gayom, Dorenen, thank you.